Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome to our maths class. Um, Now the second chapter is the four basic operations. The four basic operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and last division. We have learnt about division, we have learnt about subtraction, we have learnt about multiplication. The last one is division. Already in our previous classes we have learned divisions. How many terms are there in the division, how to do divisions, and in our previous class we have learned how to do checking for division also we have learned. Today we will learn properties of our division, then we will go to the division exercise. Okay, divisions. In divisions we have divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. These four terms we have in the division. Say again, divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Now you have to remember here, in the division always the answer is quotient, not remainder. Division lo, for example, here I am taking one number, Nana. 234 divides by 2 I am taking. 234 is called dividend, 2 is called divisor. Now we have to do division. How to do division? See here. Now the divisor is 2. So we have to write 2 tables. 0, 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. I have written two tables. Now divisor is 2, dividend is also 2. Now both are equal. Then now you can take one digit. Now take one digit and say in 2 table 2 is possible? Yes. How many times? One time. That is 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. After 2, what is the next number? 3. Take down to the 3. Now it becomes 0 3, not 3 0. 0 3 means 3 only. 0 3 అంటే 3 ఏనన్నా. ఈ 3 కి 0 అనేది రైట్ సైడ్ లో ఉందా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ఉందా? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ కి 0 అనేది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ఉంటే ఆ 0 కి వాల్యూ ఉండదు. There is no need to consider that 0. This 0 ని కన్సిడర్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, అంటే కౌంట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? Simply it is 3 only. Now is 3 is possible in 2 table? 2 table లో 3 అనేది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా? Is there 3? No. If the number not there, మనకు కావాల్సిన నెంబర్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలన్నా we have to take the number which is smallest to that number and which is nearest to that number. ఆ నెంబర్ కి చిన్నగా ఉండాలి, ఆ నెంబర్ కి దగ్గరగా ఉండాలని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Now 3 here 3 not there. So what is the smaller number of 3 here? 3 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఏంటి నాన్న? 2. Here 2 is smaller than 3 and less than 3. Smaller than 3, less than 3. So 2 ones are 2 we have to take. Now subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here did you get remainder 0 here? No. After 3, do you have any number? Yes, there is a number that is 4. Now take down to that 4. Now it becomes 1 4 14. Is there 1 4 14 in 2 table? Yes, here we have 1 4 14. Now how many times it is possible? 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. Now subtract. 14, 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now is your division is completed or not completed? Division complete ayinda leda? Yes, completed. How can you say that it has completed? Because 234, here we have 3 digits only, 3 digits has completed. After 4, do you have any number here? If you have any extra number, then the division, you have to continue the division. If you don't have the number, now your division has completed. Now what is the quotient here? Here the quotient is 117. Divisor is 2. What is the remainder here? Here the remainder is 0. Now say the terms. Dividend, divisor, D-I-V-I-S-O-R, divisor, quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient, last one, remainder, R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. These 4 terms we have in the division. Division లో మనకి 4 terms ఉంటాయి నాన్న. First dividend. What is the dividend here? 234. Next divisor. What is the divisor here? 2. Next quotient. What is the quotient? 117. What is the remainder? 0. Remainder means మిగిలిపోవడం. మిగిలింది ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 0. So in the division you have to consider that quotient as answer, not divisor. Division లో answer ఏంటి? Quotient. Divisor కాదు. ఓకేనా? Remainder కాదు. ఓకేనా? You have to remember this. Now it is the division. Now these terms we have in the division. These 4 terms we have in the division. About this division and about checking we have learned in our previous class. Now we will learn about properties of division. Properties of division. Now first property is when you divide any number with 1, then the quotient is number itself. Quotient ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానా? Because now listen carefully. When you divide any number with 1, the quotient is number itself. Quotient అని ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను? ఎందుకంటే డివిజన్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఏమంటారు? quotient అంటారు కదా, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాను quotient అంటున్నాను. When you divide any number with 1, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని 1 తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏదైనా నెంబర్ if you divide any number with 1, the quotient is, the answer is number itself. మనం ఏ నెంబర్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం అదే నెంబర్ ఆన్సర్ గా వస్తుంది. Understand? This 5 is called dividend, divisor, quotient. That's why I said if you divide any number with 1, the quotient is, the answer is number itself. Understand? This first property. Next, second property is, we'll take here more one example. I'm taking 23 here. If you divide 23 by 1, if you divide any number by 1, the quotient is number itself. So 23 divides by 1, it gives 23 only. Second property, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. Second property, when 0 is divided by any number, 0 తో ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందంటే the quotient is 0 itself. quotient ఏమొస్తుందన్నా 0. 1 తో డివైడ్ చేసినా అదే నెంబర్ ఆన్సర్ గా వస్తుంది, 0 తో డివైడ్ చేసినా 0 వస్తుంది. If you divide any number with 0 కాదు, 0 with any number. 0 తో ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని 0 కాదు. ఓకేనా? Now in the division, the order of numbers cannot be changed. Order of numbers ని చేంజ్ చేయొద్దు నాన్న. Order of numbers చేంజ్ అయితే ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఆన్సర్ కూడా చేంజ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే? If you divide 0 with any number, the number is answer, the quotient is 0 itself. More one. 0 divided by 11. If you divide 0 by any number, 0 by any number or 0 with any number, the answer is, the quotient is 0 itself. Then third property is, if you divide, when the number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Then when a number is divided by itself, అంటే ఏదైనా నెంబర్ అదే నెంబర్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందంటే quotient 1 వస్తుంది నాన్న. ఏమొస్తుంది? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 97 divides by 97, it gives 1. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని అదే నెంబర్ తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 1. నెక్స్ట్ మోర్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, 46 divided by 46, it gives the answer as 1. Understand? 3 properties. First property, when a number, if you divide any number with 1, the quotient is number itself. When you divide 0 with any number, the quotient is 0 itself. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. The quotient is 1. Then fourth property is, division by 0 is not possible. Now here, division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి కదా, 0 తో ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? 0. కానీ ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని 0 తో మనం డివైడ్ చేయలేము. ఓకేనా? ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని 0 తో డివైడ్ చేయలేము. Because that is not possible. Why that is not possible? Because if I have written 74 divides by 0, here the 74 is dividend, 0 is divisor. Now based on the divisor we have to write the table. The divisor is 0. Now can you write the 0 table here? No, you cannot write the 0 table. So when you divide any number with 0, then you cannot divide that. It is not possible to divide. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ని 0 తో డివైడ్ చేయలేము కాబట్టి you have to say that is not possible. 0 with any number is possible, but any number with 0 is not possible. జీరో విత్ ఎనీ నెంబర్, జీరోతో ఏదైనా నెంబర్ని డివైడ్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ విత్ జీరో ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫోర్త్ ప్రాపర్టీ. లాస్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద డివిజన్ ద ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్డ్. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాను కదా, ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ని చేంజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఓకేనా, ఇది 5 కదా, ఇది 1 కదా, 5 ముందు రాస్తా 1 ఇంకా రాస్తా అంటే ఆన్సర్ డిఫరెంట్గా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ ద డివిజన్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్. These are the 5 properties we have in the divisions. Once again when I explain. Now first property, if you divide any number with 1, the quotient is number itself. If you divide any 0 with any number, the quotient is 0 itself. When your number is divided by itself, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. The quotient is 1. When you divide any number with 0, then we cannot, it is not possible to divide. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ని జీరోతో డివైడ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని డివైడ్ చేయడం పాసిబుల్ కాదు. లాస్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఏంటంటే ఇన్ ద డివిజన్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్. ద నెంబర్స్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ కెనాట్ బి చేంజ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్ని ఇక్కడ, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్ని ఇక్కడ రాయకూడదు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద 5 ప్రాపర్టీస్ we have about division. So the properties of division has completed. Now we will go to the division exercise. Before going to division exercise, we come to the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 కి రండి నాన్న ఒకసారి. ఇంతకుముందు ఎక్సైజ్ 3.1లో చెప్పాను, మనం డివిజన్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకోలేదు కాబట్టి డివిజన్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఎక్సైజ్ చేద్దామని చెప్పాను కదా. విల్ కంప్లీట్ దిస్, దెన్ విల్ గో టు ద డివిజన్ ఎక్సైజ్. ఓకే, ఎక్సైజ్ 3.1 ఫోర్త్ బిట్, డివైడ్ అండ్ చెక్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ బై మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Divide and check your answer by multiplication. Check your answer by multiplication. First question, 18325 divides by 36. Here we don't know 36 table. Now we have to prepare the 36 table. Now 18,325, sorry Nana, 18,325 divides by 36. Now we have to write here 36 table. Divisor, dividend is 18,325, divisor is 36. 36 zeros are 0, 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72, 36 threes are, now I will find here, 36 threes are 3 6 are 18, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 36 fours are 4 6 are 24, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 2 14. Next 36 fives are 5 6 are 30, 5 threes are 15, 15 plus 3 18. 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, 18 19 20 21. 36 7s are 7 6 are 42, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25. Next 36 8s are 8 6 are 48, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 4 28. 36 9s are 9 6 are 54, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 32. 36 10s are 360 directly. Now write here 36 table. 36 1s are 36, 36 2s are 72, 36 3s are 108, 36 4s are 144, 36 5s are 180, 36 6s are 216, 36 7s are 252, 36 8s are 288, 36 9s are 324, 36 10s are 360. If you don't know table, the table which you don't know, మీకు ఏ టేబుల్ అయితే రాదో ఆ టేబుల్ ఇలా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, you have to multiply and you have to find the table. Now 36 18, then it will becomes less than, so you can take 3 digits. 3 digits కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 36 ones are 36. If you take 183, is there 183 in 36 table? No. If the number not there, then what we have to do? If the number not there, then we have to take the nearest and smaller number of 183. What is the nearest and smaller number of 183? 180. Is there 180? Yes. Here we have. How many times it is possible? 36 zeros are 36 ones are 36 twos are 36 threes are 36 fours are 36 fives are. 36 fives are 180. Now subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 8, 0. Now write here 0. Now this 0 is left side of this 3. This 0 is left side of this 3. If you get 0 to the left side of any number, then there is no need to count that 0. Now it is 3 only. Okay? Now it is 3 only. Now 183 has completed. After 3, what is the next number, Nana? Here the next number is 2. Now take down to the 2. Now it becomes 3 to 32. 3 to 32. Is there 32 in 36 table? No. If the number not there, then you have to take the smaller number of 36. What is the smaller number of 36 here? Here not there. Only 0 is there. So you have to take 36 zeros are 0. 36 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now take down 5. After 2, the next number is 5. Take down 5. Now it becomes 325. Is there 325? No, not there. If the number not there, then you have to take the smaller number and nearest number of 325. What is that number? 324. Yes, 36 nines are 324. You have to take. Now subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 3 minus 3 also 0. No need to take. Only 1 is the remainder. Now you have to write here dividend. What is the dividend, Nana? 18,324. Next. What is the divisor? D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor is 836. Quotient Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. What is the quotient? The quotient is 509. Then the remainder is 1. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder is 1. Now we have to check. Check your answer by multiplication. Now how to do checking? Well, we have one rule, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. R-E-M-A-I. Remainder spelling I have not written completely. R means remainder. Now it is a rule. Now what is the dividend, Nana? 18,324 is equal to quotient is 509 into divisor is 36 plus remainder is 1. If you get by multiplying and by adding, if you have to get 18,325. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేసి వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ కి 1 యాడ్ చేసి ఏం రావాలి మీకు 18,324 రావాలి. If you get 18,324, your division is correct. Otherwise, that is wrong. Now we will check. 509 into 36. 6 nines are 54. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 6 fives are 30. 3 nines are 27. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 fives are 15. 4, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 here. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 you have to write as it is. That is 18,324 plus 1. It gives 18,000. Is that correct? Yeah, we did somewhere more. 509 into 36 plus 1. 18,324 plus 1. If you add, then you will get the 18,325. Like this you have to check. So it is the division. Here I have written wrong question and wrong raskunnana. 18,325. 18,325. 18,324 plus 1. 18,325. 18,325. 18,325 is equal to 18,325. Yes, your division is correct. Like this, you have to multiply and you have to check the divisions. So, in exercise 3.1 first bit, we have 6 problems. I will explain second one. Remaining 4 problems I will explain in next video. Complete your homework up to here, okay? Now, the second question is second question. 82,006 divides by 80. 82,006 is a dividend, 80 is a divisor. Now 82,006. Now we have to prepare 80 table. If you know 8 table, then you can prepare 8 table. First we will write 8 table. 8 zeros are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. 8 table has completed. Then how to write 80 table? By adding 0. If you add 0 here, 81s are 80, 82s are 160, 83s are 240, 84s are 320, 85s are 400, 86s are 480, 87s are 560, 88s are 640, 89s are 720, 80 tens are 800. Okay, like this we have to prepare. Now 80 table has completed. Now take 80, 80, 82, 82. Now take 2 digits. In 80 table, 82 to 82 is there. 80 table, 82 is there. No, not there. So you have to take 81s are 80. Now subtract 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. No need to take left side. Now take down 0 here. Is there 2020 is 80 table? 2020 ఉందన్న 80 table లో లేదు. ఆ నెంబర్ లేకపోతే ఇచ్చాను దానికంటే స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ ని చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. 20 కంటే చిన్న నెంబర్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 20 కంటే చిన్న నెంబర్స్ ఏం లేవు. 80 కూడా పెద్దది ఓన్లీ 0 మాత్రమే ఉంది. సో 0 మాత్రమే ఉంది కాబట్టి you can take 0. So 80 zeros are 0. అందుకే చెప్పాను నేను టేబుల్స్ 50 జన్స్ అప్పుడు 0 నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Now after this 0 we have next 0, then take down that 0. Now it becomes 200. Is there 200 in 80 table? 80 table లో 200 ఉందా? లేదు. 200 లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? దానికంటే చిన్న నెంబర్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 200 కంటే చిన్న నెంబర్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 200 కంటే చిన్నగా ఉండాలి, 200 కి దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి. ఏంటి ఆ నెంబరు? 160. మీరు 240 తీసుకుంటే 200 కంటే పెద్దగా అవుతుంది కదా? So you have to choose 160. 160, how many times it is possible? 82s are 160. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 0 minus 6 not possible. If you take bar it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now it becomes 4, 0, 40. After 0 we have 6. Now take down that 6. Now it becomes 406. Is there 406? No. If the number not there, then you have to choose a smaller number of 406. What is the smaller and nearest number of 406? 406 ki chinnaga plus దగ్గరగా ఉండే నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 400. How many times that is possible? 5 times. 85s are 400. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now the remainder is 6. Now write here dividend 82,006. Divisor 80. Quotient 1025. Remainder 6. Now we'll check. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. What is the dividend, Nana? 82,006 is equal to quotient 1025 into divisor is 80 plus the remainder is 6. Now 1025 into 80. 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Next 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, 8 1s are 8, 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 2, 8 1s are 8. 0 0 0 2 8. Now we got 82,000. 82,000 plus 6. If you add 82,000 plus 6, you will get 82,006. 82,006 is equal to 82,006. Now your division has correct. Understand? like this you have to complete the remaining divisions. Now both are same, that means your division has correct. Like this you have to checking for division. So it is a next size 3.1. We have 6 problems. Already I have explained 2. Remaining 4 problems are your homework. Those who understand, complete these problems. Those who not understand, ask to me, I'll explain. Otherwise, I'll explain in next video. Okay, children? Complete your homework up to here.